Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about the video that is now going around showing a woman, right? There's no other way to describe it. She beat and butter bruise the man. We're going to talk about it. We have to talk about it. Matter of fact, this should be the second video of its kind I do. Because recently there was an incident that a woman is a loss and a liquor man. I didn't get to do that video because some incidents happened around it where they kinda, overshadow it and they make video about them things there instead, but this one can't pass because this is a serious problem in our society. When we say Jamaica is an acidic society, when we say Jamaica is a violent society, do not be mistaken into thinking say, oh, I just demand them. You see, the culture is so hell-bent on brute force. Man. And flinging and lick and who better than who and all kind of. Enough for the woman them, just as bad. Just as bad. And when videos like this come out, what happens is people go, why, yeah, true, and then go about them business. They simply will never be the same uproar if the tables were turned. If this video, right, was the man that do this to the woman, we know what that guy already. So, if we expect me to spend most of this video talk about our life and fear and outcomes, people now say this, I'd be wasting your time. Everybody know that is how society has always been and will always be when it comes down to the hypocrisy of violence, going from man to woman versus woman to man. That not gonna change, I'm not gonna waste your time. Instead, I'm gonna carry the video in a different direction. Who never wonder who are raised some of these 87s? Some of these killers. Remember the old video them used to do? I'm used to telling them, say, some women bred and engineer them youths to grow up come to an 87 by encouraging them to be violent, and if them sister them not have certain bad man treating them, they mock them and tease them. Remember that video there? Got a lot of backlash for it. We'll never get more for that one. If you listen to this video, it's not just the woman who are fling on the lick at the problem, Listen at the background. I'm just going to play an audio clip. No, so people can hear me talk about, but I'm going to play the full video and break it down piece by piece on Patreon, or we can go as hardcore as you want. But I just want you to listen right now. Listen to what the woman has said to the man, and then listen at the background. All you hear a while ago was female voices. Beat him! Beat him! Beat him! Can you imagine a group of men stand up round? A man have one piece of board in their hand, right? Or a box of man and a group of men stand up round them and say, beat her, beat her. Can you even imagine that? I wonder if people realize that violence has become so ordinary, so mainstream to Jamaicans that when them see it, it come like them a watch Blue movie. I start to realize that enough Jamaicans, including whole heap of women, genuinely get excited and turned on by violence. Especially when it's this type, when they go in this direction from woman to man. Beat him, beat him. You hear the woman to the man? Lick me now, lick me now. And you hear one slapping someone, she lick the man in the back of his neck. Lick me now, lick me now. That is one of the oldest tricks in one of the oldest books. She wants him, right, to retaliate and get physical with her. Remember the old video? I want like people just start listening with you. I know I'm a long time listening to them when I talk. But remember the video, right? When we break this down and tell you the strategy where the woman I push it, and she had, touch me now, Let me know. Just to get the response. Because they say even if she fling on 500 lick on him and him just throw back one, the tables turn and she's now Lord of the Victims. Remember the show, Lord of the Rings? Lord of the Victims. For far too long, society and the culture sit back and allow enough women to get the idea say this type of behavior is acceptable. And because them don't have two seat back between them foot, right? Them can do what them want to do to man, right? And there'll be no repercussions. I'm going to tell you why there was no repercussions in this video. I don't know for certain, but this is my theory. This video take place downtown. Anytime you see a woman behave like that with a man, and especially look at the man's demeanor, as it during the whole this man is trying to avoid the woman. You know what my theory is? She is either related to some bad man or she did with one. Or a third option, this youth is the most peaceful man ever born, which is very unlikely. The way I see this youth, I stand down and I go out and wait for a avoid her, and when him get boxed, when him get liquid stick, that show me say this woman have some links what makes you feel strong. Because more than likely, I know she, him afraid that what gonna happen if him retaliate. Even though he would be well within his right to defend himself. Let me say that again. In this situation, the man would have been well within his right to defend himself. This is not no verbal, she not throw no word. She give the man a dozen lick and then draw off a board and lick the man in the face. He would have been well within his right to defend himself. But him keep a try avoid it. That show me say him afraid of somebody. And I don't think it's she. I think she afraid of. I'm saying that's just my theory, because you know what? You know what some of the worst that a woman had ever come across? You know in Jamaican say worstest. You know who some of the worstest that a woman had ever come across? In the highly acidic society that Jamaica has become. The woman them were related to 87s and 90s. Or the woman them with David, one gunman, or the woman them with sometime, because remember you know, most of the favorite bad man them are girl clone, you know. That's a fact. Most of them suffer from G coronavirus. Then just have to look one woman and the woman go this a man and she say alright, and she will go back and call the man. The 87 will just look her. Him don't even have to get on from her yet, you know. But she just remember say J-Bad did look her. And she go tell J-Bad say, you know say Sir P diss me, and J-Bad gonna look for Sir P. You feel 87 like girl clone. So enough woman know that. Enough woman go around and disrespect men, pick fights with men, go out of them way for fling and lick pan man, because them know say them cannot pick up the phone and call them man or them brother or their uncle or whichever Dan them related to. People don't want to talk about that. People talk about violence in Jamaica and stop that like it's a vacuum violence happening. You know? Like say every case of a woman losing them life is in the same sphere. No. You have cases, for example, with Kanice Jackson case. You have cases with husband with us head hot and in big LIQ and come home, if it's something like fling on monthly. And you have cases where woman are outright criminal and man go fear and kill her. Multiple different ways woman dead at Jamaica. They're not all damsels in distress, right? But for them very active in the violence and it just catch up on them. Enough woman have problem with man, go call one next man, if you go fix our problem, and then after film bridging them you say, the woman they make him friendly, then go back go heal she. Enough of them knee deep in the acidity, death and destruction. The quickest woman for this year is a woman with David, some 87 or some 90, even a 160. And the quickest set of woman for disrespect a man. So disrespect, me not talk about no true no word and we are talk about what you seen in the video. Fling and lick and go for board and because in the back of their mind, you not go do me nothing because you know say she there with Tesha. And in her mind she knows say Tesha a man, so you not go do nothing. And even if you do something, what will happen to you? So that give her the strength to walk around and this every man from Spanish Town to Morant Bay can jump on the phone. People don't want to talk about that. People don't want to talk about that. People want to paint this image that, you know, Jamaica is just full of all these damsels in distress. So cut out the rubbish. Stop the nonsense. You know exactly the type of female I'm talking about. Brutish, masculine. Let me tell you something. Many times you hear me say, no youths nowadays in Jamaica. Too feminine, well guess what? Enough women in Jamaica right now, too masculine. Enough of them more masculine than the man them. Let me speak something to you. You see in this video, let me tell you about how feminine women operate. Feminine women hate violence. Hit the dislike button. All you super masculine bulldog types, man, me don't want to offend it. Hit the dislike button and go on where you go. No beg no friend over here, so. Feminine women hate violence. If them there somewhere and them see like one scuffle go break out, them ready to take with themselves, or them a ball out, or them a say, no stop it, them no want to see it. You know which woman they hear jump up and say beat him or yes lick the book, you know. The masculine one then. You know say some man have too much estrogen, well some man have too much testosterone. See, I've talked about this on Patreon already. But tell the man on Patreon say, you want to know what type of woman to avoid? You want to have a test. Let's say you want to say, right, more on this side if more on this woman in my life. You want a test to know if you must avoid? Right? Here's the test. Right. Wait till you get in a situation where you see some kind of confrontation is going to happen and then listen to how the woman or listen to what the woman said to you. If she encourages you, right, if you go war man, take away yourself youth. Feminine women have no interest in an war and violence, and they have no desire to see their man getting on a war and violence unless it is absolutely necessary and in the moment it calls for it. So for example, you're on a walk and somebody for whatever reason attack you and then you have to defend yourself and defend your family. That's the only time. Any woman where you still on the side of her and somebody come tell her, say, you know, so me say the boy Simon I call your name and she go turn on to you about, you better you go lick him in the face. Get rid of that woman. You don't want to know near them woman. There. Why would that woman encourage her man? Right? For either go Dovecot or jailhouse because I want it either one, you know. It's very unlikely to say I got Russian next man and nothing come out right. So our woman who tell her she love you and care about you, I go tell her say you go war man. And she want to get rid of you so she can move in the next man. You don't understand? A woman who love you and want to spend the rest of her life with you, I go tell her say, you know remember the last son of the bed, go for your last man and go for him. And you like idiot gone. Feminine women hate violence. But a lot of you simps out there because on a small head control, you know, from morning till night, and you can't even see the obvious. Whenever I want to see these videos, it's never a feminine woman. Never. I'm tell you about acidity, everything in the verse. I mean, know your favorite activist, I will tell you, so there's no such thing as masculine or feminine. You know, everything is fluid. By the way, which is unicorn meat. I don't know who actually buy into that kind of rubbish, but that them say, or at least that them say now. And that's what them might take time teach the youths them now in a school and, you know, the college campuses. The video is disturbing. You see me, we can see George wrong. Do him do and call him out. And the same way we're supposed to can call this woman out. The same way you're going to say, no matter where the woman do, George wrong, can't get the right. I agree. No matter which dispute them have or whatever feelings you want to get hurt or whatever you think him if you get or never get, whatever. Nothing to justify what him do to that woman. But the same way, nothing what this man do, not justify what happened to him. Split justice. But I come try to find some long story now for turn her into some kind of warrior princess and she just a fight for. No, she's a violent, brutish woman. She not getting no pass. The same way no man not getting no pass with things like this, no woman not getting no pass. Equality. When they believe in that equality, right? Same treatment across the board, well, same treatment across the board. Now before me even forget, right, this is why I love when make the video them on Patreon, because me can describe it as me I watch the video. Right. But there's a part in the video where a woman come give her a stick. A woman, a female, give her a stick, fling and lick on the man. Again, picture it. Picture it in your head. One man already a fling and lick on the woman, and then one next man come and say, "Swan stick your dog." Can you imagine? The woman never go to war and say, "Sister, stop it. You already fling on much lick on the man, stop." No, see one piece of border, use it on him. Now we have to be fair. There were some women who would like tell her to stop it. There's a group of them who were just cackling and loving the moment, and there were some of them who said no. But at the end of the day, when all is said and done, this is a half a day story. Half a day. Nobody no business about no man. Nobody's people especially no business about no man I get no beating from no woman. This is half a day story. And if you end up hearing things else afterwards, there gonna be some massive PR campaign, probably by the woman or people around her, if you melt your heart and somehow make you feel like she, right, are the victim in all of this, and she get wrong. I just saw the thing though. No future live in a certain era. A regular then get lip and beaten from a woman, regular. In a Jamaica, enough man get regular beaten from woman, especially in a bad man place, because, as me say, the man them no want deal with the brother and the man and the uncle and the father, so him just steady lick them. That's Jamaica. A place where a man can be emasculated in front of the whole world. Just because him afraid to say something else will happen to him. So it's better if he just take the lick them from this woman than have to go deal with one other or have to go deal with rat Batman name. That's Jamaica. And even the police them go for her, not now come out here, waste time. I'm just being honest. How much cases you can think of when a severe repercussion come out of this? Right. And how much man you think a courthouse go follow up from start to finish so woman beat them? How much man you think I go in a one station after them just get boxed up from a woman in a Salt Spring? Right, or now I will go in a one station because officer, a woman is beaten up and then follow it, go straight through to court and then go testify. And the man now do that. Because culture and shame face and man I go just take the beating and go on go. I just shoot this get catch on video. Nothing now come out of it. Police they might question but I can't see the man I go right through to court with this. So at worst in my opinion they might she get charged, but how much man you think I go deal with the cultural the shame and the stigma of I seem that him I go to court go testify so woman beat him. How much man you think I could do that? Very few. It's unfortunate. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Look out for that video. In about half an hour's time as usual. If we go hard pan on you. Break down this video piece by piece. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.